Okay, so first I thought, oh, this is just like a boring Gen2, but here's a twist. That looks very old, and this doesn't exactly look old, because this isn't actually a Gen2. Yeah, it's not actually Gen2. Oh, that's green. We've seen that before. There's a lift. Yeah, old doors. So this is actually a Gen2 mod. Oh, going up? Which floor?
6.
Okay. Well, that was pretty good. Yeah. It also doesn't have a Gen2 from either, so. Let me get going down to ground, I think. I think it's just who you are. Yes. Yeah, this is probably pretty busy. And he's moving down to ground. So yeah, OTIS Gen2 mods would be more what it says. Yeah, first Gen2 mod I've actually come across. And yeah, this is going up, so yeah. First ever Gen2 mod, guys. It also didn't have like that regular Gen2 chime either, so it's nice. And yeah, that's it.